PlayStation 5. The Sony PlayStation 5, PS5, is a highly anticipated gaming console that finally came out in 2021. It features lightning-fast load times, stunning graphics, and a revolutionary DualSense controller that provides a more immersive gaming experience. The PS5 has a library of exclusive games that include titles like Spider-Man, Miles Morales, Demon's Souls, Ratchet & Clank, Rift Apart, and many more. 12. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a foldable phone that has a unique design and features. It has a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display that folds when you need to use it as a phone. The phone is also equipped with 5 grams connectivity and a Snapdragon 888 processor that enables fast performance. It has an impressive triple camera system and a durable design that makes it suitable for everyday use. 13. Fitbit Luxe. The Fitbit Luxe is a fitness tracker that helps you keep track of your daily activity levels and sleep patterns. It features a slim and sleek design that makes it comfortable to wear all day long. It also has features like heart rate monitoring, stress management tools, and female health tracking features. 14. Asus ROG Phone 5. The Asus ROG Phone 5 is a gaming phone that is designed for serious gamers. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 888 processor, and up to 18 GB of RAM. It has a Monster 6,000 mAh battery that allows for extended gaming sessions. The phone also features a unique gaming design with RGB lighting and haptic feedback. 15. Sony A7S III. The Sony A7S III is a professional-grade camera that is perfect for videographers and content creators. It has a 12.1-megapixel full-frame sensor that captures stunning video footage in 4K and 120 FPS slow motion. It also features a flip-out screen, in-body stabilization, and an autofocus system that makes it easy to get the perfect shot. 16. Logitech MX Master 3 Mouse. The Logitech MX Master 3 mouse is a wireless mouse that provides a comfortable and ergonomic design. It has a precision wheel that allows for fast and accurate scrolling on any surface. The mouse also includes features like customizable buttons, advanced tracking, and a fast-charging battery. 17. Google Nest Hub, 2nd Gen. The Google Nest Hub, 2nd Gen, is a smart home device that can help you manage your daily tasks and routines. It includes a 7-inch display that shows important information like your calendar, weather, news, and more. It also has Google Assistant built in, allowing you to control your smart home devices and access other apps with your voice. 18. Jabra Elite 85T. The Jabra Elite 85T is a pair of true wireless earbuds that provide excellent sound quality and noise cancellation. They have a compact design that fits comfortably in your ears and includes features like wireless charging, customizable touch controls, and voice assistant integration. 19. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max is a streaming device that provides access to your favorite movies and TV shows. It supports 4K Ultra HD, HDR, and Dolby Vision for stunning picture quality. The device also includes features like Alexa voice control, fast Wi-Fi connectivity, and a redesigned remote control. 20. HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless. The HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless is a gaming headset that provides immersive sound quality and a comfortable fit. It features a wireless design that allows for easy movement, and a 2.4 GHz wireless receiver that provides low latency audio. The headset also includes features like a detachable microphone, customizable sound profiles, and a long-lasting battery life.